IfI has had a long history in personal audio, whether it's portable DAC amps, whether it's desktop grades, they do them all and they do great work. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm excited to talk today about the IfI Pro Ican signature. As you can see here, I also have the Hifiman Susvara. I had a chance to listen to both of these in combination and it was fantastic. I really want to dive in and give you all the details, so let's get into it. But before we do, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. As you know, from watching our past videos, we've done other IfI offerings, from their more portable to their lower to mid-fi grade options. They're fantastic. This is a serious piece of gear, as you can see. It is meant to be at the desktop, it is not portable, but it is all business. What I love, before we get into kind of all the options that you get, and you do get the full suite of options here, is how well this is crafted. It is real aluminum, it is absolutely sturdy, feels great in the hand, has good weight, and it's small, but you get so much versatility. IfI has definitely put in premium products into this to make it a high-end desktop grade amplifier. So when you first look at the device, you get the nice gold trim, which I think is really, really nice. It gives it a nice premium quality to it. On the front here, you get to change from inputs. And we'll talk about that in a minute on the back. The second is a lot of fun. It's called X-Bass. What is X-Bass? So it allows you to dial up the bass. So let's say you have a headphone that is lacking in this area, you can really ramp that up. And even if you have a headphone, like this is a world-class piece here, the Hifiman Susvara, you can even crank it up even more. So it's like adding more fun into any headphone that you own. This is a very cool thing that only IfI offers, and I love it. It's a lot of fun to use. You get balance connection XLR, which is great, especially for power-hungry headphones. And you get 1/4 inch and then left and right 1/4 inch as well. You get the 4.4 Pentacon for balanced with your iEMs. I think that's a really nice touch. The next here is also very cool, only from IfI, gives you a 3D quality. That tends to lend to give you more of a speaker-like presentation, and that is nice when you have a headphone that might be a little more closed in. So it really gives you a lot of versatility with this amp with your headphones. It can make your headphone an entirely different listening experience by either bringing it more narrow where it's very focused, but for most folks, me included, let's make it wide. Let's make it that speaker-like presentation, especially when you have a headphone like the Susvara. It's awesome. So that's another, only from IfI they offer that, and it's a really cool technology. You get a premium volume adjustment, feel really nice when you're dialing it in. It's extra sensitive, so you're not worried about cranking it and hurting your hearing. It goes up nice and smooth. And then it also has your gain adjustment. So you get a lot of versatility on the front of this. And I think it really does open up a lot of options for you when you're listening with your headphones. Let's also talk about the options that you get in terms of listening and its amplification level. So you can get solid state mode, and solid state's 90% of the amps that are out there. You're getting quick, fast transients, you're getting tight bass, but this also gives you, from their NOS tubes from GE, to do tubes and do extra tubes. So tubes are gonna give you more mid-range push, they're gonna make things a little more euphonic. So you get the solid state, you get tube mode and tube plus. So you can, again, really dial in your flavor that you want with your headphones. I don't know of any other amplifier that gives you that, so that's very, very cool. All right, so let's get to the back end part of your inputs and outputs. And again, mirroring off the front, you get a lot of options. So let's take a look and kind of explain each one here. Balanced for inputs, that's really, really nice. In pro audio, going balanced makes a huge difference. So I think that's a really nice touch. You also get analog inputs for RCA, which really makes it nice. Like if you want to bring a DAC in, hook any other gear up, you got that option. You also get outputs in XLR. This really gives you, preamp functionality. And then you get, on the other side here, unbalanced RCAs, ESL link for doing updates. Of course, you get the power supply hookup for the 15 volt and DC loop output. So a lot of versatility here. I think that's a fantastic thing. It's not just giving you unbalanced, it's giving you fully balanced, and I think it's a nice touch from IfI. All right, guys, a really nice touch that they offer here is the IfI Elite Power supply, and that is this right here. This is actually an extra piece that IfI throws in, and it is a fantastic thing. What it does is actually lower the noise floor. So typically, normally you just get your standard power cord from most manufacturers. So I think IfI going above and beyond and giving you that is really nice, and it does make a difference. So for just under $2,300, IfI has created a fantastic piece. Incredibly versatile, sounds fantastic, drives every headphone, every IEM. So who is this for? Let's get down to the nitty gritty. It's for somebody that is an audiophile that wants a one and done solution and wants a premium, easy to fit on the desktop solution. If that's what you're looking for, that's this right here. It checks all those boxes and it sounds beautiful. I loved it. I wish I could have more time with it, and it's a fantastic piece. If you want this for yourself, you can order it fast and easy from skybygramophone.com and have it shipped right to your door. And guys, definitely come visit us at our showroom locations in Gaithersburg, Maryland, Columbia, Timonium, and also come check us out at our Kitchen Design Center in Hunt Valley, Maryland. Let us know what you think about this video. Please put comments below. And also, what do you want to see next? Let us know. We want to do it. And again, as always, enjoy the music.